Welcome to Python course for everyone. In this course, we are going to learn about what is Python, why to choose Python, what would be the scope in upcoming years, and how you can start your journey with it. So first of all, let's look into the course outline. There would be 10 modules including Introduction to Python, writing your first program, Pythonic data types, basic operators, decision making, loops, functions, file IO, and object-oriented programming. And lastly, the most frequently asked question, why I should choose this course. So here is the answer, and there would be a 3-step learning process in each video. The first segment would be about theory part, where you will learn about the theory of the things, and then we will propagate in the interpretation, where you will learn about the flow of the code, and at the end there would be a program part where we will create program files and then execute them. And I hope this 3-step learning process will be very helpful for effective learning. If you have any questions, comment down, follow us for the latest videos, and share it with the people who may be interested in it. Thank you.